Hey guys, it's me Khesyinii here. Just gonna pack everything and hurry up for my bus. Like ASAP. Let's go. No makeup. Hoodies. So I haven't explained to you guys why I'm getting up so early, catching my bus is because I have an event to attend in KL. It's a Huawei Love My Birthday event, if I'm pronouncing it right. But yeah, I'll bring you guys along my journey of the day, like a day in my life attending event as an influencer. Because you guys actually have no idea what does influencer does, so this is what we go through. We wake up early in the morning, it's only 6 a.m. now, to catch a bus to go to a whole nother state to attend an event. So yeah. Okay guys, this is scary, but let's go. My room is 333. Hi guys! Okay, the camera. I didn't bring my camera stand. I'm sorry, I'm looking like a shit with this kaftan. Can you see that? That's like, I had to open the curtain so I can't be nicky, so I had to put on something. I didn't have any bathrobes or hotel robes or something, so I'm doing my makeup by myself while waiting for my friend Khesyinii. Just concealing some parts. This is my current love Estee Lauder concealer, if you guys would have known by my previous video. Yup. So yeah, I'll come back to you guys once I'm ready. I'll show you guys around. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, so I'm all set. I'll show you guys my outfit in the mirror, that the only mirror I have. Ta-da! Okay, so it's a birthday event, so I went for this patio or something they call this birthday. I really love how silky it is. Just throw on a blouse that I have. It's a corporate event, so we gotta dress decently. I'm most probably gonna wear that shoe. And yeah, let me show you guys the room tour. So starting off with the door, the first thing you will see is the cart, and then the bathroom, the toilet, and then a place to hang your clothes. And yeah, I have my luggage up there because I have no space to put down here. I will put that down when I'm done getting ready. So this is like, that was supposed to be here, but the only mirror was here, so I had to switch. So this is my makeup and something like my vanity, and then that's my coffee that they serve, and a TV, an Android TV, which can come with YouTube, and then just a normal desk with a lamp. That's my perfume there. And then just a view of the hotel lobby. How nice! And yeah, that's all. That's the food that mama gave me. Thanks mommy, it actually really helped me. The towel and my bag, and that is all the room tour. Comes with an aircon. And yeah, I am running late. I'll be leaving in a while, and I'll show you guys the event. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. And look who's here with me. She didn't end up coming to the event, but it's okay. We're gonna have fun. I'm so sorry guys, I didn't really upload the record much during the event, but I'm gonna end out the vlog here. I'm gonna just relax and enjoy the night, and I'll come back to you guys next week in the next video. But here's some small shots of the event. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.
Remember when we said we'd stay together now until forever?